What's up?
What's up, everybody? This your boy, MC Recovery in the house.
What?
Yeah, I'm warming up this skillet over here. This
Okay.
wok. I'm bring the fire down. I done warmed it up, and I'm gonna use some of that extra virgin olive oil. And I'm doing chow mein today. Chow mein. I normally do my chow mein with this. Sometimes I can go to the Japanese store. I went there today, but that's gonna be in the next video to show y'all what kind of ginger and other stuff that market has. You've probably seen it on my Facebook Live. Chow mein. I always microwave it. I got one right in the microwave right now. I'll take it out. I'm going to drain it. Put another one in there. Let me warm up my oil. I put about that much. It's hot. I spread it around like that. So when I get my vegetables in there, it'll be on and cracking. I have red bell peppers. I thought I had more. I really like it when it has the red bell pepper. Green bell peppers, some onion, and I also have some green onions. So, you know, basically what I'm going to do to put some flavor to it, I'm going to put a little bit of the bell pepper and stuff to get things started. And with this chow mein and this veggie mix, you can do it with cabbage. I also did that. Do y'all still see me? See? But check out this scene right here. I'm warming up. See, I had that flat boneless chicken. And I topped it off with orange. But guess what I used for the teriyaki chicken? The packages from these. So, you know, I'm going to bring this fire down. Put some water over here. Right in there. Y'all don't see me, huh? Maybe, I don't know. Pick out the packages. Because I got my own vegetables. I don't need to use the vegetables in the package. I fill the water up to right where they tell me to fill it. Like, you know, to that marker. Put that 4 minutes on it. Do that. Turn this fire back up. And now we're going to get to really booking because I'm going to use, do y'all even see me? And I'm going to use these green and yellow squash. So let me cut this up so we can get in there to get things started. I'm sorry, I meant to put these gloves on, but you know, I'm not going to fix nobody nothing. This is something just to basically do. Grab my red bowl in a minute. I got the fire on medium. The microwave takes 3 minutes. And get the cold water. A little bit. Oh, does it smell good? Now I'm going to bring the fire up. Now we're going to get really cooking. Now we got the flavor that we want. Now to add the other stuff with it. Man, it looks like we can get some more squash. Here, put the green onion in there for some flavor. And I'm going to put all this in there. So far, so good. Check that out so far. Good, man. I'm going to get another green squash. I'll put some garlic with it. One more green squash. Put the wet on. That's it. That over there. Now I'm going to show y'all the other trick I do. So I take this strainer, right? Zoom in now, MC. The strainer, the chow mein. Get it over the sink. You see that water come out? Keep the bowl. Because while that's steaming, put this right there so when you walk over there to the stove, you can just put the chow mein in. Already warm, I do that. Now the other trick is, you gotta keep it firm. Oh shoot, some of them didn't cut. They kind of stick together. The other trick is, you gotta warm up the chicken, have the chicken ready. Let me see, could you open up this? Wait. Open up that soy sauce. So I got this from like the Dollar Tree. Hell of a price. Steam it up there. This is gonna be real good. This is percolating. Trip off of everything. Ooh, I can smell the citrus orange. Notice, because you know the teriyaki and stuff got salt in it. So y'all still watching? It has salt in it. Oh man, this is really nice. Let's see. That's all you had to do. And then take it out. All you have to do is lift up the cup. Do that. And then you put some soy sauce. Look at that colorful. It's colorful. All I go. Let the soy sauce. Turn off the chicken. Chicken down. This is up high. Close it. Bring this over there. Give it a little mix. I'm going to do it again. Check this out. Be directed, MC. Ready? MC, go. Put this in here. You let the water come out. Back over here now. Put all the stuff in the dishes. Start cleaning up as you go. Do y'all see how it looks? Watch this. And you got chicken teriyaki. Chow mein. If you want to add some more teriyaki sauce, so you can do other tricks. I can mix this meat in here with it and really make it funky. See? Even though I haven't even cut it up. So, you know, but I know it's a lot of juice over here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this and put it with it. Just some of it. And remember, that recovery is an inside job. This boy's over there lifting. Do y'all see it? Turn it off. Look at that orange.
Is it good?
Now it's too hot to try now, but let's check out this. I just want to see how the chicken tastes. Mmm. Let me give me the plate. The chicken is good. Chow mein is good. Remember, recovery is the inside job. These vegetables have a lot of antioxidants, vitamin A, D, hot. Nguku. Mmm. And just peace.